That crater is super deep.
Slow down.
Holy shit! That scared the hell out of me. Slow down, there's a crater right there. Watch out, huge crater. Thanks, man. You're good, you're good. Where do I grab this thing? Take it slow, take it slow. Pull it backward. Hold on. Ready? 1, 2.
Pull!
Keep it moving. Wow, it's that deep? We need to put something in that crater, holy shit. This is an absolute death trap. Panting. This altitude, I'm so out of breath. Highway G216, kilometer marker 2347. I don't want to. Everything's smashed. Let's tie this up right here. We need to mark the crater ahead. Anyone got a knife or something? Damn, this pothole is a killer. That dude got launched so high. Holy shit, I saw you coming. I was frantically waving my hands at you. I saw you in the air, and when you landed, the bike went into a crazy speed wobble. Holy shit. Don't untie it, just stretch it out here. If it's stretched out, people will see it and definitely slow down. Yeah, just like that. Okay, good. Is this tied tight enough? Yeah, you can tie it on both sides. I can't do this finesse stuff. Let's go. It's fine, just tuck that part in. Let's just put this piece right here. Holy shit. No, wait, let me pick these pieces up. Put it on the outside of the crater. Move it a bit more this way, yeah. Just leave it here. Yeah, this works, perfect. Done. This crater, holy shit.